Hello, welcome. This is blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Metal Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that. Are we actually really one day away from Uptober? So let's talk about the present situation, how the whole thing looks like. Then we should also talk about that FTX distribution payments isn't starting today on the 30th of September because that was the rumor. So when it can start, let's talk about that. Then we have CZ, who is now a free man again. Well, I know it came out a day or two ago, but I haven't done a long video since last Thursday, so I definitely wanted to mention this. And we have also Ethereum staking yields could outpace US rates, and that could boost the price, some experts are saying. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day I'm making you fresh content, so I keep you up to date in crypto and blockchain. So if that's important for you, very simple, just subscribe and you will get the notifications as soon as a new video is out. It's happening every day. And also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. Okay, let's have a look at the prices where we can see actually right now, a quick refresh just in case. Right, so Bitcoin is actually almost 3% down the last 24 hours, $63,696 US dollar. Ethereum about 1% down, $2,622 US dollar. The main gainer is FTT. That's a surprise, 25% up, but this is because of the FTX distribution thing. Then we have ENA 12% up and BitTensor 10% up. We have some gainers here. Losers, well, Shiba Inu 7% down, Nervous Network 5%, and Doge 5% down. And when we're looking at here the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we can see here, Bitcoin price kind of retesting on the daily the 200-day moving average. But now I'm going to talk about this chart a bit more because that's talking about the possibility of Uptober. Well, today is the 30th of September, so one day away from Uptober, probably. And now let's go back to this chart. So what can we see here? So first of all, we are 163 days away from Bitcoin halving. This is already in the zone, which can take us to the higher level as it was, after the previous halving years between 160, 180 days. We had the start of this breakout. So far, it's looking pretty good. Since the 7th of September, we are going up again. Right, when we're looking at the daily here, it clearly shows that we had an downtrend, since April, which was broken first when, we had a lower low and then a higher low here. And then we have here a new higher high. This is very important for the trend change. But this is for the daily. When we're looking at the weekly, we can see that, since today, early morning, Bitcoin price started to go down, but last week closed again above the previous week. So this is also bullish, as you can see. We're going week by week now again higher. And when we're going to the monthly, then we can see a very nice green candle for September, which is rare, definitely. And when you're looking at here the percentage at the present, but it was much better just like an hour ago even. It's like 8%. Put it this way, it's 8%, right? So far this is the best September ever. And look what we have here. 80% of October's, if you look at this historical chart, it's green. We had just two exceptions, 2018 and 2014. Apart from this, October was great. So this is a very, very bullish month in general. 100% of election years had green October, November, December. So every single time, like in this year, we had, green last quarter. 100% of years with a green September, what we're witnessing right now, and it's very likely, I don't know what can happen now, and it's a couple of hours away from until the end of the month, but every single time it was a green September, it was 100%, then October, November, December was green. So Q4 starts actually tomorrow. And well, here you can look at the freshest data, but it's also like a 8% plus. And look, so far 6% in 2016 was the best so far. So with 8%, it could be the best September ever. And what's that? Oh yeah, this is again the monthly chart, what I wanted to show you. See, here it was even better when I just put it there. Okay, anyway, bottom line is that when you're looking at this, then it looks promising so far. Also, when we're looking at, you know, the global liquidity index, then every single time since 2016, as you can see it, when we broke this red line, you know, a bull run started. Here again, a bull run started, and now we just went above it. So this is also important. And, you know, election coming 5th of November. So it's about just a bit more than a month away. All these kind of things. So altogether, the picture right now looking positive. And when you're looking at the, let's move back to the daily, and then you're looking at the Bitcoin dominance, you know, it's dropping. When looking at the altcoins, they went to up quite nicely recently, the altcoin market cap. Now there is some correction as well. DXY, you know, which is also important. You know, it's going down. If DXY is going down, that's definitely good for Bitcoin, and so on and so forth. So far looking so good. And we had a higher high. That's also very important. The trend is about to change now. Coming bullish. It's actually on time because we are just 163 days away from the halving. So far, everything as we planned, right? What will happen? We don't know, of course. Future will tell. But one day to go until October. So what do you think? You can let me know in the comment section. Okay. Next thing I would like to talk about is FTX. And, you know, FTX distribution was said maybe beginning today already on the 30th of September, but it looks like, well, there is a delay. Okay, so FTX distribution payment, so not beginning on the 30th of September. According to the update, Chapter 11 filling, the next court hearing to confirm the restructuring plan is the 7th of October. And if the plan is approved, claimants with claims under $50,000 could start receiving payments by the end of this year, 2024. Those with large claims may not receiving distributions until the first or second quarter of 2025. So it's not happening already, but we could see that FTT token actually started to go up quite nicely. Yeah, well, it's happening sooner or later, and that money, that 16 billion US dollar, it's re-entering, part of it at least, probably re-entering into the market, which definitely can boost the market. And not just you know, Bitcoin, that could go many from that to altcoins. And when you're looking at trends, the Google trend, you can see that actually you know, we are nowhere close to highs when it comes to trends. So the retail is not even here, and Bitcoin is still around the 63, 64, 65,000 US dollar. So what if these guys are arriving? That would actually boost things even higher. Okay, next thing, let's talk about a couple of words just about CZ, because CZ is back. Well, CZ is back, but not in the way as he was here before his time in prison. Point is, he's a free man now. He's out of prison, right? So he had these times there, spent a full month in jail, and now he's out. He's doing actually financially pretty well, 60 billion US dollar, putting him on the 25th wealthiest person in the world. And well, one thing, he's not going to return to Binance, according to the agreement, you know, what they had. And he's moving on to education and all these kind of things. But bottom line is, he is out actually now. And those who are, you know, in crypto, many of you I know respect CZ. He has done a lot of things for crypto, and we shouldn't put him on the same page with so many people like, you know, Sam Bankman-Fried or, you know, all these other guys who got in prison, but for a reason. For CZ, I think it was something different case. I don't know him personally, so you know, I had a selfie with him once at a party in Paris, but that's it. We just chatted for a bit. But overall, the picture about CZ, it's rather positive. But yeah, bottom line, he's out. Right, finally, let's talk about Ethereum staking yields could outpace US rates. So what could that mean? So the rate cuts have started already, right? We had the 50 basis points rate cut now on the 18th of September, and more rate cuts are coming this year, probably 2 times 25 basis points, and then another 100-point rate cut by 2025, and maybe another 50 basis point rate cut in 2026. So it's going to push down the rates, and because of this, you know, it's not that great anymore to, you know, put down the money and looking for rates. And there is Ethereum, and Ethereum staking yields could outpace US rates and boosting prices. That's what some experts are actually saying here. So yeah, as what I just said here, this is how the interest rate is going down. And Ethereum, because of its staking, you know, it could be interesting for many investors. And we do know that we have already Ethereum, what's that? See, I can't even think about it. ETF, spot ETF. I just talk about it so much, and now it just like, you know, it just went out. Anyway, so bottom line, it's already part of this kind of industrial investment, even that these Ethereum, the money into Ethereum spot ETFs are not entering that fast as they entering into Bitcoin, but it's definitely on the table, put it this way. And, you know, this kind of staking yield could be also interesting for many people when they're realizing that the interest on their investments are not that great anymore. But this is just an idea. I don't know if you have any thoughts about it. You can let me know in the comment section. Right, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important, very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.